Well, good morning, everybody. How are you doing? This is the Magnetic Squatch. I am out here in St. Johns County off of State Road 13. I'm going to be going up and down this road today a little bit, hitting quite a few spots today. I have been dying to get out here, and I am so excited to be here. Let me show you a little bit about what I got going on. That's the St. Johns River out there. Right up the road up here is a lot of farmland. People stop here and fish. There's no telling what else people stop here and do. So I'm gonna throw the GoPro on. I'm gonna get my magnet going. We're gonna get out here in this water with it, and we're gonna see what we pull up for you guys. All right, I am going to start on this side. Again, we've had a lot of rain the last few days, and you can actually kind of see where the rain come up here a little bit. The water had flowed up here. You can see just how crazy the water is coming up out of here. So you got the waves coming in from the St. Johns up there, coming in this way, and you got the water flowing up under the road here, going that way, and it's creating a little bit of a whirlpool out there. Today I'm going to start off throwing my 1,700-pound double-sided, and let's see what we can catch. Here we go, first toss out. And I throw it up in the tree. How about that? All right. I'm calling a redo. I want a mulligan on my first throw. All right, let's try that again. This time without getting it up in the tree. I'm guessing and suspecting there's probably going to be a lot of tree branches and stuff down here, but should be a lot of anything down here. First toss is a blank. All right, well, got my first magnet full of goodies, other than the tree branches and everything. Snagged a whole bunch of nails. Got a stick and another piece of metal. Another old rusty nail. All right, I think we've given this magnet enough time. Oh, hey, I got something there. One half to some, looks like kitchen shears. Half of a set of scissors. All right, well, like I said, I'm switching it up. I'm going from my 1,700-pound 850 on each side to my 3,600-pound, which does 1,800 on each side. Let's see if we can't grab some of this stuff up out of here. All right, we got some more rusty metal up off the bottom. Little square nut and some more nails. Okay, got something here. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I might have just pulled up my first piece to a gun. I really think I did. I just pulled up my first piece to a gun. If there's anything else you can think this might be, leave it down in the comments and let me know. But that looks like part of a rifle. Well, heck yeah. In the bucket it goes. Got some more stuff on the magnet here. Some old square washers, I guess. Some more nails. Bunch of nails down there in one certain spot. All right. Oh, I got a couple more of these square nuts and some nails. All right, we're at our new spot, and hell, already I've made a new find. Look at there. Somebody left a pair of some night lights out here. Put up on their head. Don't even have to throw my magnet in the water. I like these. We're going to get the magnet in the water here and see what we got going. I think I might have something on my first toss out here. It is coming back heavy. Well, it was coming back heavy. Nope, I do got something. What do we got, boy? What do we got? I don't know, but it's something for the bucket. I missed. I'll pick it up in a minute. All right, I had something right here. Something heavy. I am definitely locked onto something again right here. Oh, the bubbles. People in their garbage, man. Listen, if you're gonna come out here and you're gonna do this, clean up after yourself, please. Don't make us look bad. They're gonna start restricting it. They're gonna start making it where it's illegal to do this out on these places. Please clean up after yourselves. All right, I got something good coming up here. What do I have? Oh, it's a tree bass. However, there is something other than the tree bass. What in the world? It's like a piece of ornamental iron. It's all twisted, corkscrewed. Let's see if I can get some of this stuff off of it. Cleaned it up a little bit. Not really sure what it is, but we'll take it. A tire sitting out there. Come on, people. Yeah, that tire is getting closer and closer and closer to us. All right, got something on here. Huh. It's a spark plug. Real quick, like take it across to the other side. And there's our tire. Our tire just followed us. Our tire has followed us to this side of the bridge. All right, well, we have given up on the area out there in St. John's off of 13. That's pretty good finds. But I have moved on right here to Palatka, Putnam County now. Some of y'all just may recognize this place. This is where Jake, the Almighty, came out here with his friends and punked one of his friends with the grenades, with the fake grenades. That is where I'm at today. We're going to be giving this area a shot. Let's see what we can come up with. All right, we're going to start right here, work our way down a little bit. This is where all the boats come in. I don't want to go out on the boat docks from where they actually set the boats loose, but we're going to hit out here and see what we can come up with. And my rope's all in a knot. Well, first find, first cast. Got a really old washer. It's starting to get eaten through there. And with all the people out here throwing their cast nets, found a cast net's weight. All right, we got a little something on here. Got us some nails. Well, I'm finding me some more nails.
Oh, you're looking for the stuff.
Oh yeah. Pulling up a bunch of nails. All right, what do we got here? Oh, we got a wrench. That's a pretty sweet find out here. Hey, that's something I can clean up and I can use. Nails. Fishing line. Love bugs. Yeah, there's a bunch of nails. All right, I'm going to spend just a few more minutes out here, but I'm going to hit that spot right there, right where Jake brought his friends, or D Almighty brought his friends, where he pranked them with the fake hand grenades. See if we can't find something down in here. Guys catching much? Whew. Yeah, I've just got here, but I've been at this since like 8 o'clock this morning. I started on the bridges on 13, worked my way all the way up to 207, came over here, yeah. 4 GoPro batteries in. It's a bunch of old nails again. This area over here apparently is going to be a heavy nail and just scrap metal. Last throw for me for today. Been at it now since 8 o'clock this morning. I'm tired, I'm pooped, and I still gotta go bowling tonight. So, pull this magnet full of scrap up, and we're gonna call it a day. All right, I say my last throw of the day, and I've grabbed onto something heavy. Holy crap. I mean, like, literally right now, holy crap. What? And I'd like to say something else, but he's here. What? Oh, no. Oh, I can't. No, 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 no. It was a belt. A rifle belt.
Really?
Loaded, full of bullets. And I sat here shocked long enough for it to slip off my magnet. No, 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 no. It's still there. I know what that is. That's interesting. Not really sure what that is, but it'll make it in the bucket, but that's not what I'm back after. There it is. All right, I'm having to do this on my phone right now because my GoPro battery died right before I was able to hook this and pull this up. But I just pulled this. Right here. The boat dock. Right here in Palatka. This section, if you remember watching one of the D Almighty videos, this is where he was messing with his buddies and he threw in the fake hand grenades that they pulled out. So, thanks for watching. I'm loading up. I'm done. I'm sorry if the ending of this video is kind of boring. I'm done. I'm tired. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Leave me some comments down in the comment section. And I will see you guys next time. Stay squatchy, y'all.